What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in today's review we have something special. I was a little skeptical on this, but I gave in and went on and purchased a couple of things. Now, Amazon is in trouble. Why are they in trouble? Because they have a new sheriff in town. At least I think there might be a sheriff. There is a new site out there, and the site is called Temu. All right, now I think this is a Chinese website. I am not sure, but I will link in what type of website it is. If you have been on Instagram, if you've been on Facebook, if you've been on YouTube, I'm pretty sure you've seen these advertisements. Now, let's go ahead and see what I have bought. So one, we have a bathtub mat or bathroom mat. This is the real deal. So right here, we have bath time mat. Feels pretty good. All right, go to the next thing. Something that my wife needs and myself. Due to my young man arthritis, I can't open up jars anymore. So this is for you if you need to open up jars. Right here, we have basically, if you shop at Sam's Club, Costco, BJ's, you get the big bulky fabric detergent. Right here, you can hook this up to your fabric detergent, and you can have the cup there, and then you will have no spills. And we got much more, you guys, because it's so cheap. I don't even know what that is. You got another opener, can opener. Sponge holders right here. You could put this on your sink and you could put your sponges on it. Right here we have the drain stoppers or hair catchers for your drain, your bathroom drain for your kids that comb their hair and let all the hair go down the drain. Okay, you guys. All right, this is a big one right here. And that's about it. So you guys, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things. I got all this stuff right here for $40. If I would have got this anywhere else, I would be at 80 bucks already. All right, you guys, so that's it. That is the end with this. This site is pretty good. I ordered this stuff on a Monday, and today it is a Monday. It took 5 business days shipping. All right, so remember the name, Temu. I know it sounds like a Pokemon, right? It sounds like something that comes out of a Pokeball, but for right now, all I know is that this site is awesome. Like, comment, and subscribe.